Hello, everyone. Good morning. So I'm really sorry I could not attend this class this morning, but I will explain to you about the final test explanation. Yeah, a little bit about describing a diagram. So in the final test, of course, what will you do is to make a presentation draft related with pictures or diagram. Yeah, so the pictures, it could be like this one. Yeah, so you can see, yeah, we have already learned this and we have already tried these pictures. Yeah, this picture several what is it meetings ago. Yeah, so you can see in here how plastic bottles are recycled. Yeah, in the presentation or in the final test, you will be given two pictures like this one. Yeah, and then what you need to do, you just choose one of the picture. Yeah, and then explain as if it is your own slide. Yeah, so it is actually uh, what we can say, you don't need to be strict to the pictures, but actually you can tell the picture based on your own opinion or your own style. Yeah, so you can see in here uh, there is a man throwing the garbage into the trash bin, and then it will be sorted out. Yeah, and then you can see it will be compressed into some block and then crushed and then produce some plastic pellet. Then it will become raw material back into a new material again. Yeah, using this raw material from a recycled plastic. Yeah, plastic bottles. Now, so what you need to do, of course, you can make an introductory. Yeah, and then don't forget you can interview or give some kind of overview, give some kind of detail, and then conclusion or saying about the ending process of the diagram. Yeah, so in the what is it, you can say it is, since we are in the presentation skills class. Yeah, so what you need to do in the introduction, as we had already learned before, don't forget to use the WISE technique. Yeah, first you need to say, hello everyone, good afternoon. Yeah, let me introduce myself. My name is blah blah blah. Yeah, and then you say about the picture. In this presentation, I will explain to you about how plastic bottles are recycled. Yeah, something like that. And then you explain why the audience need to hear you. Yeah, so you can say, we need to do this since we could save our earth later in the future. Yeah, you can also add some kind of what is it, you can say some kind of hook. Yeah, it could be story, it could be question. Yeah, as if you are giving the real presentation, but the difference is that you need to jot down your uh, presentation as a draft of presentation. Yeah, so you need to write it down starting from welcome the audience, giving some kind of hook. Yeah, first you can tell a story, for example. Yeah, before I start this presentation, I will tell a story about garbage, for example. Now, but you need to write it down. The number of words, it should be at least 300 until 500 words. Yeah, so you can make sure that it is quite, yeah, it is long enough, or yeah, it could be a complete presentation draft. Yeah. Nah, don't forget, of course, since this one is an academic writing, you need to pay attention also with the grammar thing. Yeah, with the grammar, with the tenses that you use, you need to pay attention to it because it is written down, so people could understand what you are talking about. Yeah. Nah, so when you mention about introductory, yeah, not only giving some kind of greeting using WISE technique, you can also try to introduce the pictures. Yeah, in these pictures, you can say the picture illustrates how many process. You mention the process. Yeah, if it's the diagram only showing one diagram, you can say the diagram shows. If the diagram has two pictures, you can say the diagrams show. Don't forget to use the plural noun. Yeah, you can see like this one. Yeah. So for example, The process demonstrates how chocolate is made. You can say from the plucking red apple pod in Kokwati located in South Africa and Indonesia to the final stage. Yeah, something like this. Nah, then you can mention uh, how many stages are appear on the pictures. Yeah, when you have already start your presentation, you can say, in this presentation, I will explain to you three parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Yeah, there are how many steps? You can say there are three or four step or 11 step or 11 stages. Yeah, to make was it to recycle bottles, for example, yeah, to recycle bottles into new product, yeah. So you can see like this one, and then don't forget, yeah, you need to do some kind of to add some hook, yeah. Yeah, as I told you, you can add some hook before we can put some video, audio, pictures. But today, yeah, of course, in the drafting of presentation, you could not put that. You just change it into story, for example, question, yeah, quotes, maybe song lyrics, maybe. Is up to you, so people could engage with your presentation. Then next, don't forget to use transition or discourse marker to make your speech flow smoothly. Yeah, don't forget to use it like first, then next, after that, because we on the diagram probably it will show a process of something or a life cycle or something. Yeah, so you will need to mention firstly, secondly, next, then after that, furthermore, initially, following. Yeah, make sure that your presentation flows smoothly from one sentence to another sentence. Yeah, to another sentence. Yeah. And then don't forget, yeah, if you try to explain about diagram, there are two things that you need to, what is it, to consider. The first one is about active voice, and then the second one is the passive voice. Yeah. So you can see in here, when you are describing a process, the verb may be an active voice or a passive voice. An active voice, you can see in here, a chicken lays an egg. Which one, if you change into passive, an egg is laid by a chicken. When you know the subject, usually it will become active. Yeah, when you don't know the subject or when you don't want to mention the subject, you can change it into yeah. There is some kind of rules here. So you can see in here, we often use the active to describe a natural process, meanwhile the passive to describe a man-made process. Yeah. So sometimes you will be given not only the process diagram or man-made process, yeah, inside the diagram, but it could be a life cycle of of something that happened, yeah, or you can say natural process. So you can see in here on the sample, the adult moth lays its egg. It will become active. Why? Because it is a natural process. When you use, when you think that the picture it is actually man-made process, it is better you use passive voice. The cocoon is boiled in the water. So of course someone put the cocoon inside the water, right? Yeah. So it means that it is a man-made process. Yeah. So you can see in here the silk thread is unwound, twisted, and then dyed. Yeah. This is passive. Yeah, because we don't know who exactly what is it? You can say did the job. Yeah, but we need to make sure that we explain it clearly. Yeah, you use passive voice if it's a man-made process. If it's a natural process, it is better you use active voice. And then don't forget, you need to pay attention to the tenses. Mostly diagram will use present tense, yeah. But if there is what is it? You can say date or year mark on the pictures. Of course, you need to make it or to try to change it into past tense, but mostly it will be present. Why it is present? Because it will be a continuous process. Now, so you can see in here, this is one of the sample uh, related with what is it? You can see diagram that showing life cycle. Yeah, when you see this kind of diagram, it is better you use active voice better than passive voice. Yeah, probably in the dumber too. Yeah, we can use passive voice because it is a man-made process, or you can say use or helped by a person. Yeah, like to put the seed inside the ground. Yeah, and then after that there will be some germination happens. Yeah, this germination sprout until plant with consider, or you can say having some kind of fruits. So it is use an active voice. Nah, so you can see in here, this is the sample, but this is the body, yeah, not the introduction, not the hook. This is the body. The diagram illustrates the life cycle of a flower, depicting sequential stages from seed planting to fruit-bearing plant. The cycle begins with seed being sown into the soil. So you can see this one, it is passive. This is followed by germination, where seed absorb water, start to sprout within a spot emerge. Now, you can see this is starting to use present. Yeah. So you can consider about the tenses also if you try to make a diagram. If you want to make a, oh, sorry, a graph or presentation of a diagram. Nah, and then, now in here, yeah, if we compare to this diagram is a man-made process because it is a coffee production. So you can see in here there is a farmer pick the coffee bean and then they dried it on the sun, and then after that the coffee bean is roasted or are roasted in the jar, yeah, in some kind of vacuum, yeah. So you use more to passive voice, yeah. So we can see this one, yeah, the like this is the answer. The picture illustrates the process of coffee manufacture and production and preparation of sale in the market. So you can see, you mentioned how many stages. It is clear there are 11 stages in the production of the coffee. Begins The process begins with the picking of coffee beans and end with the packing stage, and then move on to the body. Looking at the coffee production process in detail, coffee bean must first be picked in the field. Yeah, you can see this is using passive voice. These beans are then dried, roasted, and cooled before being put in the grinding machine, which turns the bean into coffee granule. At the 6 stages in the process, the ground coffee is mixed with hot water. Yeah, mixed with hot water and resulting mixture is strained. So you can see mostly they use passive voice with present. Yeah, so you can consider like this one. But this is actually the sample, a simple sample. Yeah, of course, as I told you before, since this is your presentation graph, yeah, it could be you can use it. What is it? Your own explanation. You can edit, for example, the picture illustrates the copy manufacture in my factory, for example. Yeah, you can add that kind of thing since your this picture, you need to think as if it is your own slides. Yeah, so you can improve by yourself. Use your creativity. Yeah, it will be better since you need to make at least 300 until 500 words of draft. Yeah. Nah, so did you notice the passive here? Yeah, must be picked, and then dried, roasted, cold. Yeah, don't forget the sequencing. Then at the 6 stage, next after that, and so on. Yeah, so it will make the paragraph or the sentence become fluid. Yeah, flow clearly from one sentence to another sentence. Yeah. Now, okay, so as I told you, going back to the how plastic bottle are recycled, so you can do your or you can add your imagination and creativity by adding your own words. Yeah, for example, like this one, you see that there is a machine in here. Yeah, this machine you can say it is to crush the plastic pellets or to make the plastic pellet. You can add the explanation. This machine is made from Germany, for example. Yeah, the machine is quite big, so it could what is it? You can it could produce more than 3 tons of plastic pellet. Yeah, to be a raw material, something like that. Yeah, so you could add your own. explanation. Yeah, your own explanation with the draft itself. Even you can say so after the raw material, what is it? You can say after the plastic become a raw material, it could be produced a new product. One of them is a Uniqlo shirt, for example. So you can use that kind of thing also. Yeah, so it is up to you. Uh, as long as the draft of presentation becomes what is it? You can say interesting. Yeah. So this is also the same life cycle. Yeah. Now, for the uh, explanation of diagram, I guess that's only the explanation from me. Uh, okay, now this is your assignment. What you need to do is to make a presentation draft using this picture. Yeah, and then you need to collect it today. Yeah, I will open the EduNext for you. And then after that, yeah, later next week, we will do presentation group as usual. And then after that, if we still have a time to discuss this assignment, we will discuss it so you could easily understand, or do you need some kind of revision or not? Yeah, something like that. Yeah. So I guess that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention and participation. Don't forget to do this assignment. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.